Centravites 50 Plus is a multivitamin product that is used to address or prevent vitamin deficiency caused by a poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins are essential for the body and aid in maintaining good health. It is recommended to take 1 tablet daily with a meal, or as directed by a healthcare professional. It is best to take this medication at the same time each day to help remember. This product provides a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals for the support of overall health and well-being. When taking Centravites 50 Plus, it is important to take it by mouth, usually once daily or as directed by your doctor. It's important to follow all directions on the product package and not to exceed the recommended dosage. Taking this medication regularly at the same time each day will help you get the most benefit from it. If you have any questions about the dosage or timing, it's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. Some common side effects of Centravites 50 Plus include constipation, diarrhea, or upset stomach, but these are usually temporary and may go away as your body adjusts to the medication. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed Centravites 50 Plus, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. While serious side effects are rare, seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. As for the best time to take Centravites 50 Plus, it's recommended to follow the dosage instructions on the packaging. Typically, it's best to take it at the same time each day to help maintain consistent levels of the medication in your body. Remember to follow the recommended daily dosage for optimal benefits. It's important to keep Centravites 50 Plus out of reach of children, especially if it contains iron. Accidental overdose of iron-containing products is a leading cause of fatal poisoning in children younger than 6 years. If overdose does occur, it's crucial to get medical help right away or call a poison control center. Before taking Centravites 50 Plus, it's important to discuss any allergies with your doctor or pharmacist. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's also important to discuss your medical history, especially if you have a history of alcohol abuse, liver problems, or stomach/intestinal problems. If your brand of multivitamin contains folic acid, be sure to tell your doctor if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency before taking it. It's important to consult your doctor before having surgery and to discuss if you are pregnant or breastfeeding before using this medication. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking Centravites 50 Plus. If your multivitamin contains iron, you should avoid taking it at the same time as antacids, bisphosphonates, levodopa, thyroid medications, or certain antibiotics. Be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist to find a dosing schedule that works with all your medications. If your multivitamin contains folic acid, let your doctor or pharmacist know if you take certain anti-seizure drugs. Additionally, be aware that this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, so it's important to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are taking Centravites 50 Plus. If someone has taken too much Centravites 50 Plus and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. In the U.S., you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can reach out to a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Always be mindful of the recommended dosage and seek medical help if necessary. Make sure to attend all your medical and lab appointments as scheduled. Some Centravites 50 Plus brands may include additional ingredients like docusate, so if you're unsure about the ingredients in your specific brand, don't hesitate to consult your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to note that Centravites 50 Plus is not a replacement for a balanced diet. It's always best to get your vitamins from a variety of nutritious foods. Be sure to maintain a well-balanced diet and adhere to any dietary guidelines recommended by your doctor. If you are taking Centravites 50 Plus on a prescribed schedule and happen to miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it is close to the time for your next dose, then just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. It is important not to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. As always, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider for more personalized guidance on the best way to manage missed doses. Make sure to store your Centravites 50+ at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It's important not to store them in the bathroom, and always keep them out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of any unused or expired Centravites 50+, make sure to properly dispose of them. Don't flush them down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. It's best to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.